My name is Yubei Zhou, and I am the academic director of Confucius Institute. Indeed, we have been doing all kinds of activities, and we have been offering Chinese courses to the community, as well as the Cardiff student community and the staff community. So we are looking for more opportunities to do sort of cultural activities and offer more Chinese courses. Well, we are actually, the Chinese courses we are offering actually can be considered as a sort of foundation for those who want to pursue, for example, business relationships with China and who want to do a further Chinese degree program. So our courses, I think, will be very helpful in that aspect. We are seeking definitely more help from the government, and we are also looking for more opportunities to let people know our Confucius Institute, and to know that we have also created opportunities for people who want to do things in Chinese.